Hello, class. Hope everyone's doing well. It is the second to last week of the class and for the semester. So I'm sure everyone can see the light at the end of the tunnel. This week is lesson 13. We'll be talking about conflict management, interpersonal communication, and personal strategy. We'll start off with the Did You Know? Recap lesson 12. Discuss the lesson 13 objectives. Assignments due for lesson 13 and the HOA meetings this week, as well as a final thought. Did you know that Elder Garrett G. Gong, newly called apostle, graduated from Oxford University and was a Rhodes Scholar? All right, lesson 12, the Patagonia case. Some takeaways and lessons learned. Yvon Chouinard, I think I said that right. He really showed that leadership does matter. His leadership of the company, although unconventional, was very effective, and he was very successful as their leader. We also learned about trust versus authoritarian rule. Yvon obviously managed and led from a position of trust versus an authoritarian rule or a command and control. Finally, the last thing is about why are we in business? This was something that was actually a process. You remember the Michael Kami meeting where, Yvon really learned about, when he got questioned about why they are in business. They reinvented themselves after that. And they truly believed and lived the mission statement of the company. All right, lesson 13 objectives. We'll examine the results of poor communication, understand correct principles of interpersonal relationships, and consider managing up as well as down. The assignments that are due on Tuesday is a case study write-up for the Jamie Turner case. This is your last paper, so make it a good one. Complete your readings in the 5 behaviors of a dysfunctional team, pages 195 to 222. And then due Monday, this will be your last HOA case study meeting. Participate in the reading discussion, the self-assessment, and finally the end of course evaluation. Please be nice. Thank you. Just kidding. All right. So our last HOA group meetings, I will be meeting with groups 1 and 2. Again, you know the drill, team leaders. Make sure you find the agenda and copy the video link to the discussion board. And again, take advantage of the meeting time. Try to connect what you've learned so far in this class through in this week's meeting with everything you've learned so far in the class. One final thought from Albert Einstein: a calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. So good words to live by. All right, everyone, hang in there. Semester's almost over. Take care. Bye-bye.